Hi guys, my name is Lady Thiên Nga, and today I'm going to demonstrate the warm-up and lesson objectives part of the grammar lesson. And the topic today is the modal mind. So let's get started. Good morning, class. How are you today? Are you good? Yeah, I'm so glad you're doing great. Okay, so today we have a grammar lesson. And before we start our lesson today, I want you to look at these pictures. Okay, so you answer some questions. The first pictures here. What is the boy doing? And what do you think is happening to him? Anna, please. Oh, the boy is touching his forehead. Okay, so in order to do what? In order to check his temperature. Okay, cool. And what do you think is happening to him? Yes, he may be sick. Okay, yes. Class, do you agree? Right. And the next pictures here, you see that the girl is looking at the sky, right? And what can you see in the sky? And what do you think the weather will be like soon? John, please. What can you see in the sky here? The clouds are dark. Yeah, yeah, they're getting darker, right? Okay, so what do you think the weather will be like? Maybe it will rain. Excellent. Yes. Okay, next one. These pictures, how does the woman feel? And does she look interested in the food? Anna, please. How does she feel? Oh, she feel unwell. Okay. And like, does she look interested in the food here? No, not really. She may be, you know, unwell and she feel bad. Are you sure about that? No, not 100%, right? So she might not like the food, right? Yeah, so she might, yeah, feel unwell. Okay. So after these three pictures, can you guess what is the topic of our lesson today? Can you guess? Okay, here's a hint. All right, it is a modal verb. Can you guess? Okay, I can hear that it is might. Yeah, the modal verb might. And so today we are going to learn about this modal verb might. All right, is this okay? Yeah, cool. And here we have some objectives. So you will understand and learn about the form and the usage of this modal verb might, and you can form positive, negative, and question sentences using modal verb might accurately. And the last one, you can act as a teacher to check other students' sentences and give feedback to them. Is this all right? Okay, excellent. Now, before we start to the next section, I want to give you one quiz. Here, I already sent the link into the Zoom. Have you access to the link already? With your phone or laptop? Yeah, cool. So you can click on the link and you have 1 minute. Okay, it's just three multiple choice questions, really simple. So you have 1 minute to do the quiz. So what will you do? Okay, you will complete the quiz. Yeah, and how many minutes do you have? Only one. Very good. Have you finished? Have you finished, guys? Cool. Okay, so one more time, I already see some results of you. That's well done. Okay, so now we will do the quiz together one more time. All right? Okay, so I can enter my name here. Okay, all right, and let's press enter to go into it. Let's go. Are you excited? Okay, good. So the first questions here, when talking about something blank, likely to happen, okay, here you can see the screen here, right? All right. So when talking about something likely to happen, we use might. The answer is A or B, class. Okay, John, please. You choose. Less likely. Very good. So when talking about something less likely to happen, right? Okay, we use might because it is not certain, not 100% sure, right? So it's less likely to happen. Okay. Next one, might is a modal verb, right? Used to express something, a weak or an uncertain something. Suggestions. So you can see that suggestions is the hints for you. It is A or B is the answer. Anna, please. Okay, you choose B. No, it is A. Yeah, that's correct. Possibility. It is just a possibility, right? It's not certain at all. So we use might, and it is a modal verb. Okay, next one. After the modal verb might, we use blank infinitive. Okay, so I can see that you already have your answer. Maria, please. Maria, please. Okay, what is your answer? All right, A or B? You choose B. Yeah, excellent. So it is bare infinitive. After modal verb might, we always use bare infinitive. It is the base form of the verb without to. For example, I already provide some example, right? It might rain, right? Okay. Is this all right? All right, so that is just the quiz. And now we are going into the form and the usage of this modal verb.